keep fighting for it. Ain't gonna keep fighting for it. Cause you know this thing here ain't regular, that ain't regular. Falling into the bed, why would we ever do something instead of falling into the bed right now? Yeah, so I'ma pick you up, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. Baby, turn around, let me be your innovation. Hey, cause I do it so right. Think about it, ooh, think about it, think about it. Ooh, take a look at me now. I say a little motivation. Hey, if you got it, flaunt it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You're watching me shake it, I see it in your face. You take it, it's blazing. You watch me and amazing. You can look at it as long as you don't grab it. If you don't go bragging, I might let you have it. You think that I'm teasing, but I ain't got no reason. I'm sure that I can please you, but first I gotta read you. Boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Come over and check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. While they check up on it, dip it, pop it, twerk it, stop it, check on me tonight. You're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come